how to print a shipping label from DHL. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can print a shipping label from DHL. So to print a shipping label, the first step is to create a shipment. And how do you create a shipment? Ensure you have an account with DHL. Ensure you registered and created an account with DHL. Then scroll down and you can see the option create a new shipment. So you can just go ahead and create a shipment by entering in your country, entering your location, and then selecting the country where you are sending the shipment to, as well as your address, the postal code, or other necessary details. And then click on next. Then you click to the next screen where you can continue the the shipment creation process where you be asked to enter in the package weight, the package type, the desired delivery service, and rate, and then click on confirm shipping fees. And then after that, you'll be brought to the schedule a pickup page. So on this page, you can now see the option: do you need to create a label? Now you click on yes, and then after clicking on yes, the reason I was brought back to this page was because I have not completed this, and at least because I am not sending any shipment, I'm just using this right. So after clicking on schedule a pickup and selected yes, you click on next, and then after that you take it to another page where you see option generate for that option to create a shipping label with a corresponding tracking code. And then the button will then change to download label. Then you can now download the label to your PC, to your laptop. And then once you've done that, once it's been downloaded, you can now use a shipping label printer to print the label. Alright, and then you can now attach the labels. Have time